We worked hard making films and directories back then. But now, life is just so easy for them.
The world is about to change. We no longer need actors and directors to create a film. You just need to prompt.
I heard the man. Come on, move. Remember that everything that you see is not real.
Dad, I'm scared.
It's okay, baby. I got you.
VO 3.1 is finally out, and yeah, you heard the man, you no longer need actors. You can just prompt and you'll have high quality videos. But the question is this better than Sora? Because we know that Sora has changed the AI video generation game, but unfortunately, people outside of the US and Canada can't use it. I can't use it. So in today's video, we'll see if VO 3.1 is a good alternative of Sora. Now, there are two ways to use the VO 3.1 model. The first one is through the AI Studio or Google's AI Studio. You just need to go to aistudio.google.com and look for VO 3.1, and that should open the following app. And this app is actually built using Gemini 2.5 Pro. You can deploy your app, download it. If you want to customize it locally, this is a good start. And since we're in the AI Studio, you can actually customize this app directly here. As you can see right over here on the left, you have a code assistant and you can add new features to the app. Like for example, add image input, add style image input, etc. For example, I want to add example prompts, and once the prompt is done, we'll get this new feature. And you can deploy this app or create a new repository out of this app. You can work on this locally. Just like that. Anyway, in order for this app to work, you will have to create an API key and change your quota tier to paid tier. But you can actually try this for free because Google offers $300 credit that you can use for free. Just like what I'm doing right now. And once you have an API key, you can just go back to VO 3.1 app and select the API key that you just created. And now we can start prompting. Now the first prompt that I'd like to try is this: an ASMR video cooking the sun on a pan and stirring it until it's completely melted. Because I've been seeing a lot of these videos lately, especially on Instagram, and they are so satisfying. Okay, that was actually pretty good, but obviously there's still noticeable stuff that would make you question if this was real or AI. Get it? Real. But okay, that was actually dumb because there's no way you can just stir a sun on a pan. So that statement was pretty stupid. No, but seriously, I'm just talking about the details like reflections or lights, because those are the details that AI mostly fails to replicate. For example, when the burst happened, as you can see right over here, you see no reflections or lights on the pan. But other than that, this looks good. So let's try another one, an ASMR video of Jupiter getting sliced by a knife. Oh wow, this one is so much better. Bro, the sound, it's so crispy. What? Now let me ask you a question. Let's just say you're scrolling through Reels and you see this. Would you be able to tell if this was legit or an AI? Because if I'm be honest, I'll start thinking this was a candy. I mean, look at that. It looks so juicy. But the knife, as you can see, it's still dry after cutting the planet. So that's the only problem I see. Other than that, this looks good. Now the second way to use VO 3.1 is through the Flow app. You can just go to flow.google and use the scene builder. And here you have advanced control over the video, like uploading ingredients that you want to show in the video. Or you can make your videos longer. Because I don't know if you guys noticed this, but the videos generated previously were just 8 seconds long. And the only way to make it longer is through the APIs. Let me know if you guys want to see a video using the APIs, and maybe we can make an app. Anyway, here I'll make a video in a style of a vlog. A man, which is me by the way, is talking or saying VO 3.1 is finally out, and I am proof of that because this video is created by this new model and I can do whatever I want here. That's it. And I uploaded a photo of myself. Now let's give it a go. And here's the result. Let's watch it.
VO 3.1 is finally out, and I am proof of that because this video is created by this new model, and I can do whatever I want here.
Oh my god, no! Why do I sound so American? But seriously though, this looks really good and I managed to use my face so well. If I'm gonna be honest, I can honestly use this. I can use this video and just replace the voice with my own voice and it would work. VO 3.1 is finally out and I am proof of that because this video is created by this new model and I can do whatever I want here. Wow, that is crazy. If you want to extend this, it's so easy. All you need to do is just click this plus button and select extend, and you just need to prompt once again about what should happen next. And once that is done, you'll get an extended video.
VO 3.1 is finally out, and I am proof of that because this video is created by this new model, and I can do whatever I want here. I can make fire on my hand. OR, I can turn my hand to a wood. Can you subscribe to Weekly How?
Now my honest opinion on this is it's good, but it's still far from perfect because I noticed that my face changed in the second half of the video. That is no longer me, that is someone else. And that is why I feel like Sora is still better than VO 3.1. Unfortunately, I can't test Sora right now because I live in Europe. I can't compare it to VO 3.1. But watching videos of people using Sora, it's easy for me to say that Sora produces better results. But of course, I think we should never ignore the fact that VO 3.1 produces high-quality AI videos. I mean, look at this. I asked it to build or make a music video, and it made this.
Oh, baby, not free. Jeffrey did this to me. All he used is VO3.
So if you just ignore the audio or the music, this looks really good. So that is VO 3.1, a major upgrade to the previous version of VO. Now my final thoughts on this is we've come so far. Now like 2 years ago, we had the spaghetti Will Smith issue, but now we have this.
I can't get enough of this.
And I feel like a lot of people don't realize that. Like, in just 2 years, developers managed to make something like this. We've come so far. Now we have videos that have audios, music, and they can talk. What the hell? The future is gonna be so different. You know what is not different? The subscribe button. It's still red. You need to click. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
VO 3.1 is finally out, and I am proof of that because this video